Hey YouTube, just want to give you guys an update on the car. I recently just installed the Remnant Performance turbo kit, maybe about 1,000 miles ago. So just want to give you guys an update on the turbo kit. Turbo spools up pretty quick, not as fast as the stock, but maybe like a couple hundred RPMs more than the stock. I also, since the last video, done a couple of other things, like it's a carbon fiber grill assembly, and also I got the GTS tail lights and new exhaust tips as well. Let me show you right quick. It's awesome, it's awesome. So let's take a glance at that Remnant Performance turbo. So looks pretty clean. There is a heat shield that I haven't put on here, and that's because I was adjusting the wastegate. So now that it's adjusted, I'm gonna put it back on. But other than that, I mean, the kit, it went in pretty easy. The only thing is this air box kind of didn't fit so well. As you can see, I had to put a nut underneath this, but other than that, it's okay. And it sounds pretty good. It sounds real good. So let's take it for a ride so you can hear it. So this is the startup with the Remnant Performance turbo kit. Pretty much sounds like stock. The turbo does make a lot of noise once you're up and going, but idling here sounds pretty much like stock. Let's go for a spin. So this pretty much spools up, not as quick as the stock turbo, but it spools up pretty quick. once I do those things, I am going to turn it up. How it drives in comfort mode, pretty much just like stock. And I do have Biotronic mufflers, so you know, in comfort mode it's pretty quiet. It's actually quieter than the stock exhaust, but I mean it drives the same. It drives pretty smooth, and I'm going to accelerate a little bit in the comfort mode so you can see. That's in comfort. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this, the Remnant Performance kit. I do daily this car for now, but I will stop driving it soon. And I'm going to start dailying my 135i just to keep the miles down on this car. Overall, this kit is a pretty awesome kit. I love it. I don't know if you guys can hear the T51R mod. It sounds pretty damn good. Overall with this kit, I'm pretty happy with it. It performs pretty well and it sounds amazing. I'm sure you can hear it. It sounds awesome. You guys just stay tuned. I'm gonna make a few other videos. I am gonna install the Flex Fuel kit, the analyzer, and also gonna install the PI and the fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump, and I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more, and hopefully my transmission doesn't blow up. Just stay tuned.